Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with opening maybe not the dialer specifically, but basically the contacts. You can do it through the dialer. So after entering your contact list, we have to tap on the contact we would like to customize, and maybe this one, whatever. Just tap on it and tap on this info icon. Now we have to tap on. Let me quickly tap on edit because I want to quickly remove the photo. Because as you can see, after entering the contact without any kind of photo applied, you can simply tap on this circle with the camera inside it. You do not have to tap on this edit icon. So let me tap on it. As you can see, it will be immediately transferred to this section. Basically, here we've got 4 different options from which we can choose. We've got those kind of avatars, I would say, the AR emoji and the gallery and the camera. After tapping on the camera, your device will simply open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her. But I will choose something from the gallery. Then let's find the photo we'd like to use, and right here you can change the position of this highlighted square. You can also change the size of it, but also you can change the size of the photo, which is really nice. Basically, you have to position it just like you want to. This highlighted circle is responsible for what you will see after saving the whole contact. Maybe not this one, maybe this one. It's way more cute. Alright, so after positioning the circle, simply tap on done, and as you can see, the photo will be immediately applied here. So if you're happy with your choice, just tap on save. The photo will appear on the contact list. This is how it will look like after saving, and from now on you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.